Write each rational number as decimal. Tell whether each decimal is a terminating or repeating decimal. We have two rational numbers, rational because they are written as the ratio of two integers. In the first example, we have 4 and 5. In the second, 2 and 25. First, we have to change then to decimals. How we do this? We will use long division. We have to divide in the first example 4 by 5. We have to divide 4 by 5. How many times you can put 5 to 4? 0. So we have to write 0 above 4. At the end is decimal point. So we take this decimal point above. And next, 0 times 5 is 0. Now we have to do subtraction. 4 minus 0 is 4. Because we didn't finish our division, so let me add, for example, 2 zeros. Now we have to take 1 0 down, so we have 40 divided by 5 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Subtraction, 40 minus 4 is 0, so we finish long division, and our answer is 0.8. We change our rational number, which was written like fraction, to decimal form 0.8. And because this division finish, our first rational number is terminating decimal. Why? Because this division finish. Our long division we finish. Next example, we have 2 over 25. To change to decimal, we will use long division. We have to divide 2 by 25 because 25 is greater than 2, so the end, of course, is invisible decimal point. So I add this decimal point and, for example, 2 zeros. And now, how many times you can put 25 to 2? 0. We take up decimal point, and now 0 times 25 is 0. Now we have to do subtraction. 2 minus 0 is 2. We take down 1 0. We have 20 divided by 25 is 0. 0 times 25 is 0. We have now subtraction. 20 minus 0 is 20. We take down next 0. We have 200 divided by 25. How many times you can put 25 to 200? 8 times. 8 times 25 is 200. Subtraction. We finish long division. Because we finish long division, it means our rational number is terminating decimal. And 2 over 25 is decimal. We can write that this is 0.08. This is terminating decimal. Because we finish our long division. This is my solution.